Hello there, this is Sandeep Arora here. Welcome to my channel. My mission is to teach you AI so you can benefit from it in your work and in your life. Today I want to talk to you about ChatGPT for business. Okay, so if you are a business, small business, medium-sized business, or even a large enterprise, okay, and you're having challenges implementing AI, bringing AI to your employees, to your teams, or you have done POCs and now find it difficult to scale it across your company, ChatGPT for business makes it very easy to do that. Okay, so let's take a look of how you can bring ChatGPT for business, give every employee frontier AI to improve productivity and increase creativity. Let's take a look. Okay, so with ChatGPT for business, every employee gets frontier AI instantly. Okay, let's take a look at a high level. What are all these capabilities? Every employee, every team gets an AI assistant. Okay, just like they're used to at home, with multi-modal capabilities. Teams and employees can use AI against company knowledge. They can connect ChatGPT to internal databases, internal knowledge documents via connectors and do AI against it. They can do analysis against it, they can do Q&A against it. Very, very powerful. Teams can create custom GPTs, a sales GPT, marketing GPT, HR GPT. When you create a custom GPT, you upload it knowledge of your company, give it instructions, give it tools, and it becomes AI specialized in your company's subject. This is very powerful. Some companies have created thousands of custom GPTs. This is, I'm a big fan of this. You can accelerate teams' productivities, creativity using custom GPTs. And this is a feature not many people use, but it's super powerful. ChatGPT for business comes with many business features. So now you can do AI project management. This is very powerful again. Okay, let's talk about deep research. All right. This is an AI agent which can take an instruction, okay, and it can do web research. It can do research against the documents you supplied using step-by-step reasoning. It can synthesize, analyze, and come back with reports, charts based on your instructions. Again, this goes beyond just question and answer. It takes an instruction, does deep research. It takes time to do the research, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and comes back with a full analysis, insightful report. Okay, it's an AI agent. Let's talk about ChatGPT agent very quickly, and I'm going to show it to you. ChatGPT agent goes beyond deep research agent. So ChatGPT agent can take action on your behalf. It's like a human sitting on a computer, and it can browse websites. It can take action on your behalf. It can also do deep research. It can also do advanced data analysis. Basically, the way it works, you give it an instruction, it spins up a virtual server, and it does deep research under the hood. It can basically browse websites like you do, because some websites are not searchable. You have to enter information. So it can enter information on your behalf. It can execute code behind the scenes, and it can take full action on your behalf. So let's say you want to book a trip to Ecuador, but you give it instructions like, hey, find me the best trip from this place to this place with a stop in this place. It goes out there, does research, opens up Expedia, logs in, and it can enter your information on your behalf and take action on your behalf. So this is much more powerful, and it combines the capabilities of deep research, code, web browsing, that was operator, to basically take actions on your behalf. Advanced data analysis, you know this, right? I've created a video on it as well. So basically, under the hood, it can execute Python code, and it can do advanced data analysis. It can create charts, it can create static, dynamic Excel files, and it can do all that for you. So basically, you have a AI data agent with you. Okay, so ChatGPT allows anybody to create software on demand. All right, prompt to software is now possible in real time. I did a video on that. You should take a look at it. It's right over here. All right. I want you to take a look at this video, but GPT-5 makes it possible to create software using a prompt. It's an on-demand real-time service. Anybody can create software now. It's now possible. All right. So let's go back. I want to share two examples, and I'm gonna give you a link where you can see other companies how they are using ChatGPT for business, for inspiration. But these two caught my attention. So this company, right, Estee Lauder, they're a global leader in prestige beauty, and they have created 240 custom GPTs. There's a clinical trial GPT, there is a fragrance insight GPT, and this has boosted their productivity. I encourage you to go to this website and take a look at it so that you get ideas. Another example is this Japanese materials company. Okay, now they are using deep research agent for investigations, and it has reduced their time from months to minutes, right? This is very powerful, right? So you can supply this deep research agent with your own data, and it can do deep research against it for investigation purposes. Think about it, right? Very powerful. Advanced analysis, right? This company is using for calculations and analysis, and tasks which took half a day now can now be completed in minutes. All right, they have created over 1,000 GPT custom GPTs, right? You should go to this link and take a look. This is very inspiring. And of course, for translation, right? They are a Japanese company. If they want to sell in Hungary, they need to translate all that documentation. So they basically use the language translation service of GPT. All right. Okay, so let me very quickly show you some of the features we have been talking about. So let's talk about custom GPTs first, right? So here, if you go over here, you can create custom GPTs very easily. Just go on create and type in the name of the custom GPT you want, give it some instructions over here, upload your own documents, your own knowledge, your own data, okay, so that this custom GPT becomes your own. Okay, it understands the subject, it understands the language of your business or your project. Give it the tools. Some of the tools are available over here. You can basically give it the power of tools available. You can also create actions. So actions allow you to basically get data from other sources or update data on other systems, right? Using APIs, right? So if you have Salesforce, Snowflake, or your own systems, you can basically connect them via actions and do AI against them. So this is very powerful. All right. Now let's take a look at let's go back. All right, so over here is the deep research agent. Okay, you can go over here, play with it, right, and give it a task, and you can see how it's gonna work behind the scenes. And once it's complete, it can show you the plan, all the data, and I did a video on it. Okay, here it is, so you should take a look at this, right? And then agent mode, right? This is very interesting, right? So this agent mode, let me show it to you. All right. So this is a very simple instruction, but I want you to see. Uh, okay, so this is what I want you to see. All right. So this ChatGPT agent has created a virtual machine. It is using web search to get this information, and if it cannot get that information, it uses operator. So it's just like a human being browsing websites. Okay, so it can browse the website and you can see it, right? It's browsing a website for you, and then after it gets all the data, it will synthesize it, it will execute Python code behind the scenes, and maybe it's gonna come up with a table. So play with it. This is very, very powerful. So what else? Okay, I think that's about it. And hope you enjoyed this session. I'm gonna see you very soon again.